Welcome back to Lake Nomad. I'm William Walker. We're going to start prepping for some spring bite today by getting some fire tiger made up. This video is going to be a little bit different. I don't have a ton of time. It's going to be a lot of chops because I have a wife who's sick and I have to take care of my daughter, obviously, and my son. So it's going to be kind of broken into pieces. So this is over the course of probably a week or whatever it's going to take. So hope you guys don't mind. I decided just to record over this audio. There were so many distractions and things going on in the background. I decided just to kind of cut this together and then just voice over it. There was no way I could have made this a clean video otherwise. For the top, I went ahead and did some blood red, some large black flake, and then some small red flake. And then for the bottom, I did a fluorescent orange. And then I put a few drops of brown in it just to make sure that it looks a little bit more natural. Then I added some smaller black flake and some silver. I love putting silver on that orange. It makes it pop a little bit. Also really enjoyed the warmer weather. It really helped with my laminates. They actually came out perfect, and it's been a while for that. The cold weather, as soon as you take that plastic out of the microwave, it is hardening up on you, and it can really make it tricky. So the first mold that I decided to shoot was the Phantom Grub. Been loving these things, and they laminated absolutely perfectly. They laminated all the way down to the tip of the claws. So I was super happy with this. Really got me excited. Then I also decided to shoot some craws. They turned out perfect as well. So really good start to the to this process for me. You can see that even laminated to the tip of the claws. So I must have the temperatures perfect. So got the confidence back up. All right, and then I decided, I kind of have, this is the plan the whole time, to do a Swinghead with the poison tail jig. I went ahead and started with some fluorescent orange. Then I decided to put some red flake and stuff on the top of it and some ruby slipper color. I clear dipped it, that's what you saw a second ago, just to make sure that, and then I put some, I would say together along with that black flake that I dotted on. Really hard coat, and I baked those. And then same theme, right? More orange, more red, more of that fire tiger for the skirt. And then I went ahead and paired that with a black and red eye. Thought that looked really cool together. And then some Sally Henson's just to make sure those eyes stay on. They're super glue on the back, but I like to really make these about as indestructible as I can, right? Because I know that these are going to be dug through rocks, so I want to make sure that they have the best integrity they can have. Then put on a 4/0 wide gap hook, cinched it on there to a point where I know it won't come off. Yeah, turned out really good. They are all put together. Loved the pairing. I had to cut the craw down just a little bit to make it fit the way I wanted it to, but overall super happy with it. And yeah, they really pop. I couldn't get the camera to even kind of dampen the colors there, right? They're just so bright together. But overall, super happy with them, and my wife said they were her favorite colors, so it must be okay because she almost never comments on them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun with that. It took a while, but we got it done. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you would, push the like button. That really does help me out. And hopefully I'll get on a little quicker next time. Anyway, guys, bye.